Here we have a 2016 16-plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.0. Now on this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 18-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. Now we do have the black front grille with the daylight running side lights in the front, just there. We do have the colour-coded wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle as well. Really does make this car stand out from the rest. We have your side steps on either side, the black window trim with the privacy glass on the rear. We have your front and also rear roof bars. We also have the rear truckman cab, rear parking sensors as well as front parking sensors, and also a rear reversing camera. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout. We have the ISOFIX points just down there, pull down armrest, 12-volt connectivity in the centre, and storage pan driving your passenger seat. Also electric windows on the rear. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat, again half leather and half fabric. Electric windows on the doors as well, and your auto lights just down there. Jumping in, foot on the brake, and turn the key, then the vehicle will then start. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just on the right hand side there as well. Now as you can see, this vehicle is free from any more lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 55,519 miles. We have your screens on the left and on the right which you can customise to suit your preferences. It's currently the speedo with your fuel and also your DAB capital dance. Now you can have on the left hand side entertainment, navigation and phone, and on the right hand side you can have all your different driving data. Screen just in the centre where you can find satellite navigation, where you can also find your climate control, where you can turn 2 heated front seats on. Now it works exactly how you would expect it to. You can also control it from down here. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity and also your DAB radio down there as well. So you have AM, FM, DAB1, CD, USB, Bluetooth audio, SD card and also line in. Pop the car into reverse. Rear reversing camera with your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors just up there as well. Again, climate control down here. Turn the heated seats on from just down here as well, working exactly how I'd expect them to. You have your front heated windscreen, so for those frosty mornings it has got you covered. 2 12-volt connectivities, 2 USB line in and also SD card. Storage just down there, parking sensors on and off. Traction control on and off, downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive height, 4-wheel drive height and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice sized cup holders, storage just under there as well. And there's a look at the passengers half leather and half suede front, half fabric seat with the WILDTRAK just stitched in. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now do you have a multifunction steering wheel? Now on the right of that multifunction steering wheel you can find your cruise control and speed limiter. Now to activate your cruise control, on the little control panel you got a top left button of a dial. Click that and then press set on the plus and minus and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Then obviously use the plus and then the minus to go up and down to find your selected speed. Now we do have the dash in front of me with 2 screens on either side. Now on the left hand side you have entertainment, navigation and phone, so you can have whatever you want on there. And then on the right hand side is all your driving information, such as your speedometer, how many miles this vehicle has done, your fuel gauge, rev counter and so on and so forth. Now we do have a very comfortable half fabric and half leather seats throughout this vehicle. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now the 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings really does make all the difference. Again, for those cold winter mornings you do also have a heated front windscreen. So when the windscreen is all frosted over, instead of getting your scraper or water or whatnot, simply press the heated windscreen button on and within minutes it will then be defrosted so you can get on with your journey. Now you do have the sync radio in the centre as well, where you do have your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, and you also have your climate control on there as well as the panel down here. Now with the sync radio, you can turn the heated seats on and off on that as well. And you do also get your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, rear reversing camera, and also a visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. Now, being a pickup truck, this is a very capable off-roader. So you do have your 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. Now, matched with the all-terrain off-road tyres, it is a very capable vehicle. So if you need to take it on a field, in a muddy field, or if you want to do some green lane, this vehicle is a very, very capable off-roader. Now, it's also very comfortable driving on normal roads. As you've probably heard, no knocks or bangs. It is a very smooth driving car, so going over any speed bumps or potholes in the road, it absorbs it very, very well, and it is a very comfortable drive. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state, where I'm going to take a right. Then I'm going to perform an emergency stop. I'm going to pop it straight into reverse, just to show you the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So just coming up to it now, indicate right and hope there's no traffic coming. Which is not, so I can pull straight in, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now again, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive or what video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk-on video test drive. Out to hear from you soon. Cheers.